And we are in Byron Bay. After Leo got his coffee, now he wants to chat. Keep quiet. Oh, look how beautiful and lush is Byron. And later on you'll see how bougie is Byron Bay. Bougie, bougie. Beach to them. Yep. Yeah. So find a parking spot now. Beautiful Byron Bay here. Find a parking spot out there at the beach. Oh, do you? We love Byron Bay. Last time at the cafe. Finally in Byron Bay shopping area, and of course I have to look for some dresses. Maybe I can find something. If not, we just browse. I remember this way. I know we had a soup or something at there. Yeah, but the brown one, yes, works. But I don't like the top because, yeah, I can't zip it up. Huh? Ooh, so beautiful. Love the colors, very neutral. Huh? Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay, let's go. This was the cafe. Wasn't this the cafe what we ate? Leo, remember there was a table and the seats here?
No.
Yes, they were. This is where.
I don't remember.
And you went inside here, Leo, and you asked for something.
No, I don't remember.
Oh. Look how cute they are, the colors. Oh. That's very nice. Beautiful colors. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Tati is looking for something for me, but I don't know what. Who knows? Aici, da, ăsta a fost. This is the one.
Mama, papa, wait.
Yeah, that's the one. One of our favorite shops. Oh, but I like this one. Oh my god, and this one is so cool. The material is so nice, very cotton-like, so good.
I will do it in this one day to share it.
Okay, let's film this side and
Which club?
there.
At the beach?
Yeah. But let's say,
Bring my swimmer.
oh shoot, it's in the car. But you can go with your.
I can just go like this.
In your undies.
I don't know.
You don't go in the water.
It's okay then, you don't go in water. Beautiful Byron Bay, it's so beautiful.
Don't go in the water now.
Look, crystals. Let's go and pee first. Okay? We are here at the beach. Maybe Kit would like to go in the end. Look at the sunset. That's beautiful. We may buy some food and just stay here and watch the sunset. I think Keith will like to go in the water. So beautiful. Byron Bay Beach, and just far away you can see the lighthouse. I will take some shots with my other camera so you can see it. Beautiful.
From there it's much easier.
So I had to go back to the car to pick up some swimmers for Keith because the sunset is so beautiful and the water is nice too. So I'm like, yeah man, why not swim a bit? So running back to the beach and let's have a swim. So good. And then we'll have some dinner and we go back to the camping spot. Probably will be night when we arrive back at the camping spot, so I won't be able to film anything from the camping, but I will film again in the morning when we will wake up. So for now we spend our day, the remaining evening, in Byron Beach because it's beautiful and we love it. Look at that sunset. They're there. Well, look at this. People are just sitting here and chatting, having some food and waiting for the sun to go down. The best spot in the world. Watching the Byron Bay lighthouse and admiring the sunset. Alright, where are these dudes? There. beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Perfect for my pictures, sunset pictures. So beautiful. Oh my God, it's so cold. And the camping in the rain, it's done. We were followed a little bit of bad luck with the weather this weekend, but that didn't stop us seeing everything which I had on my list. And even with the rain, we went to the beaches, we've done lots of activities, and I hope you liked it, because we will do more like this. And if you don't like it, no problem, that's what we do. We have one more trip to do to Byron Bay lighthouse. What? Aha. And then one more. I need to help Leo. Wait. I had to help Leo a little bit with his tent. So we have one more trip to do to the Byron Bay lighthouse. To help Leo a little bit with his tent. So we have one more trip to do to the Byron Bay lighthouse, and one more stop at the Crystal shop. This is for Keith, and then we go home. And if the weather allows it in Brisbane, we need to open the tents and leave them dry. If not, this will happen tomorrow or this week somewhere, because we are not sure how is the forecast this week. So let's go to Byron Bay. I think some of the pathway is closed because I can see people coming on the side of the road. Yes, they are doing some road work on the pathway. Super busy today. Again, full of vans. And surfers. That's the vibe in Byron Bay. There you go. We go round and round. Oh, there are so many of them. Do we have a car in the back? Yes, we can't stop. Oh, and again it's raining like crazy. Come on, Tati. That way. I will just film a little bit for you to see this vast ocean. And the lighthouse. How good is that? Okay, the rain is gone, so we are good now to film a little bit. If the day was sunny, the water will have been amazing. I shall look for some, go up. I shall look for some older videos which I made when it was sunny when we came here, so I will look for those videos and add them up to this video.
As were the two big lenses at the top. They were also kerosene until about 40 years ago. All lighthouses operated for many, many hundreds of years on either coal, wood or kerosene until the development of these Fresnel lenses. And the current red sector light is exactly the same, except it's powered by electricity.
Yes.
There's quite a bit of information in this book here, explaining about the development of the Fresnel lens.
There is one lens, one prismatic lens here, and
Yes.
then another one outside.
That's right. Well, each of these lenses concentrates the light, and then the light source is actually projected out through the leading edge of this lens. That's basically how they work.
Oh, thank you so much.
Through a bullseye. If you look at, so there's the development of how the so in 1822 developed the Fresnel lens, which revolutionised the way in which lights for lighthouses were first built. He used to, it's all a bit complicated, catoptric reflection, dioptric, and catdioptric reflection, which concentrates the light through a bullseye. So that's how.
I can feel that because I have contact lenses. That's interesting, Mommy. You know? How cool is that? We had a beautiful history lesson inside the park. Oh, the footpath, it's closed, so you can go down, 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 and you reach at the bottom of that hill right there. But right now it's closed, so I will look for the footage and put you that walk. Yes.
Come.
This is nice. Okay, let's go. Where is Tati? Let me take the lens from Tati. At least it's not raining. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Let's see. This is their quarters. Oof. What? Oh, thank you. Well done. Z, Mike. Shops. Oh, look, here is about whales and dolphins and birds. Yeah. Oh, look at this beautiful painting. It's from the native people of the land. What is this painting? And its meaning. This painting represents the contractual agreement between Arakwal Aboriginal people and New South Wales government. Oh, it's like an agreement. Interesting. Oh, sorry. There's one more room. Ah, look at this beautiful chimney. They need it here. A little bit of a... What? That's inside of the... Mommy, your shoe. That's inside of the lighthouse. 1906. We haven't seen inside, but now you've seen it. Lighthouse keeper's quarters. So good. So we are just at the beginning of the lighthouse. Some beautiful art. Oh, look at this moon. I wonder if I capture some of my... Oh my goodness, look at the sunset.
Look at this.
Oh, I need to stay here for the sunset. Yes, that's what I said too. Look at the thunderstorm, Mommy. Oh, we need to... Look, if we had a drone, we could have picked this one. And if it was sunny. But you see here?
Yeah, we can go there.
You can't. Oh, maybe you can go when it's low tide. I think.
It's so clear though.
Yes, because it's not like today, it's not storm. So here there is an entire experience. You can do yoga, you can see the crystals. Go. We can go around. So will be a little bit of things to do around here. And for two of us we paid $84. So lucky Leo didn't want to come. We saved some money in there. So this one here. Oh, look, another big stone. Beautiful. I think you can make noises in here, like sounds. Ah, you can put wishes, Mama. A wish.
A wish. You need to.
You can write it down and you can put a wish and you tie it on top there. Go, turn them all. Turn this one too. Turn. Okay. From the bottom, Mama. You see where are the crosses? Yes, that's. Okay. This is the crystal dragon egg. We managed to take some picture for Keith. Dragon egg. There's the dragon's head. And look at this. So good. What did you find, Mommy? Look at this.
You can see there's a bit of rose quartz up there.
Oh yes. So beautiful. So good. Okay, this is the. We have the salt one. This is the part with the cells where you can buy your jewelries and crystals, but you can also have a coffee with this view. I found, Mama, the big stones. Can you see them outside? Okay, let me take you to them.
I don't want to see them yet.
Me and Kit can't say this word. Labradorite, maybe. But pretty much this place is full of crystals. Sorry. This smells so good. And this is where you can buy remedial guides book and astrology and the green witch. Should I say witchcraft? Animal spirit.
Will be starting at 1:30 p.m. If you would like to learn how to set intentions using the power of crystals, please join our facilitator in the Peace Stupa.
Oh, that was close.
That's actually quite lucky. We got
Oh, this is the crystal which I wanted to see. Let's go and take some pictures there. Oh my goodness, but the views are incredible here. Oh, you're singing. I see, huh?
mine.
What? This is it. These are the stones, the big crystals. And there is a big waterfall in the back. I don't know, but I will film it in a second. I get more views if you poke me in my face.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be funny.
Now you can see the reflection in the water. Yes, we are going, Mommy. And then there is a little trickle of water just nearby.
Mine, look.
Yes.
See that?
Look at those little flowers
You
here.
know, what are those little things?
No, I don't know.
Mine, come. Do you know what are these little things? It's rain.
Yeah. Wow.
There's camels?
I think Superman was in this side.
It's
inside.
a geode.
Huh? Geode. Geode or geode? I think Superman was inside that.
No.
Kryptonite. That's so good. Do you want me to take a picture from the back? Oh, look how beautiful it was. No, no, no.
Do you remember this?
No.
So when I was little and I was going with my scooter.
But wasn't this one?
Yes, I know.
So our trip to Byron Bay in Lennox Head finishes here at Crystal Palace. I will leave you with Buddha and the water and beautiful flowers around it and the greeneries. And I shall see you into the next trip. And the kid is being naughty, poking me. So that's how we end up with this video. Mommy.